Are you looking to boost your accounting skills and advance your career without spending a dime? If so, you're in the right place. Free online courses can open doors to new job opportunities, higher salaries, and even certification advantages. Stay with us until the end to learn how you can enroll in these top free accounting courses today. Welcome to Business Training Media's Accounting and Finance series. In today's video, we're exploring some of the best free, expert-led accounting courses available today. These courses cover essential accounting principles, bookkeeping, financial analysis, and much more, perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Let's dive into some of the top courses you can take today. First up, Accounting for Beginners. This course is ideal if you're just starting out and want a strong foundation in basic accounting concepts like debits, credits, and financial statements. It covers the fundamental principles of financial accounting, helping you understand how transactions are recorded and organized. You'll also learn about journal entries, ledgers, and trial balances, crucial elements for maintaining accurate financial records. By the end of the course, you'll have a clear grasp of how financial statements are structured and how businesses track their financial performance. Next, we have Financial Accounting Fundamentals. This course dives deeper into the core components of financial accounting. You'll explore how businesses prepare and interpret financial reports, including balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. You'll also gain insights into GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles, and how they guide financial reporting. This course is perfect for aspiring accountants and business owners who want to improve their financial literacy and decision-making skills. Moving on, Excel for Accounting and Finance. In today's digital age, Excel is an essential tool for accountants. This course teaches you how to use Excel formulas and functions specifically for accounting tasks, including financial modeling, budgeting, and data analysis. You'll also learn how to use pivot tables, VLOOKUP, and conditional formatting to streamline your workflow and improve accuracy. By mastering these Excel techniques, you can save time and enhance your efficiency in financial reporting and analysis. Now let's talk about bookkeeping basics. Bookkeeping is the foundation of effective financial management. This course covers essential bookkeeping tasks such as recording transactions, categorizing expenses, and managing ledgers. You'll also learn how to reconcile bank statements and prepare accurate financial reports. Whether you're managing a small business or working toward an accounting career, this course will equip you with the skills needed to maintain accurate financial records. Finally, Introduction to Financial Ratios. Understanding financial ratios is key to evaluating a company's performance. This course covers key financial metrics such as profitability ratios, liquidity ratios, and debt ratios. You'll learn how to analyze balance sheets and income statements to assess a company's financial health. This knowledge is valuable for investors, business owners, and finance professionals looking to make data-driven decisions. You can find all these free courses and more by clicking the link in the description. Investing time in accounting courses can significantly boost your career prospects. Accounting professionals earn competitive salaries, with entry-level accountants making around $50,000 per year and experienced professionals reaching six figures. While free courses don't always offer official certifications, they provide valuable knowledge that can help you qualify for higher-paying roles, freelance opportunities, or even professional certification exams. Up next, we'll show you exactly how to enroll in these courses and take the next step toward your accounting career. Ready to start learning? Click the link in the description to access these free accounting courses and begin your journey today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others looking to enhance their skills. For more online courses and free resources, visit businesstrainingmedia.com. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your accounting career.